Hello my dear students, I hope you all are good and doing your work. So today I am going to start the next exercise, exercise 5C, page number 93. So in question number 1 we have add or subtract. So question number 1 we have 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Now we have to solve this. So we know that both the terms are 1 by 5 as well as 2 by 5, both are like terms. Why it is like terms? Because the denominator are same, that is 5 and 5. So in this case, what we can do that, you can take LCM. We have to take LCM. So we have 5 and 5. So if we divide 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So LCM equals to 5. Now the next step we have, we will write 5. So this 5 and 5. This 5 we have to divide with this LCM 5. So when we divide this 5, by this 5, we will get 5 ones are 5. So here 5 ones are 5 into whatever we have in the numerator, we have to multiply that. So here we have 1 plus, next here again this 5 we have to divide with this 5 LCM. So when we divide 5 by this 5, 5 ones are 5 into whatever we have in the numerator, we have to write here. So next step we have 1 into 1 plus 2 ones are 2 divided by, what is the value here? 5. So if you add this 1 plus 2, 3 by 5. So this is your answer. So in the case of like terms, it is very easy. Whatever the value are there at the denominator, that will be your LCM. Always. It may be the different number, but whatever the denominator are there in both the cases, it will be same. Especially in the case of like terms. So when these two denominator are same, LCM will be also same. That is 5 here. Now when we multiply this, we are getting 3 by 5. So this is your answer. Now question number 2 we have 15 by, sorry, question number 4. Question number 4 we have 15 by 23 minus 9 by 23. Now again here we have to take the LCM. So we can see that in both the cases this 23, these are like terms because the denominator are same. So again we will take LCM of 23. So 23 will go by 23 ones are 23 ones are 23. Therefore LCM equals to 23. Now if LCM is 23, what we can do that? You can write 23 here. Now next you will divide this denominator by this LCM. So when we divide this 23 by 23, it will go one time into whatever we have in the numerator, we have to write it. So we have 15 minus, next again this 23 we have to divide by this. So 23 ones are 23, 1 into whatever we have in the numerator, we have to multiply here. So next step, 15 ones are 15 minus 9 ones are 9 divided by whatever we have in the this denominator, we have to write 23. Now next step, 15 minus 9. You do it. 15 minus 9. So it will not go. We have to 15. 15 minus 9. 6. So what will be answer here? 6 by 23. This is our answer. Now next question number 7 we have 26 by 75 minus 24 by 75. So here both the denominators are same. So LCM will be equals to 75. As we have done in the previous sums, we can see that here 75, 75. If you take LCM, 75 ones are 75, 75 ones are 75. So LCM will be 75. So here we have to write 75. Now, when we divide this 75 by 75, it will go 1 time. 1 into whatever we have here, right? 26 minus. Again, if you divide this 75 by the 75, it will go 75 ones are 75 into whatever we have in the numerator, that is 24. We have to write. Now, next step, what will do that? 75. Now we will multiply 1 into 26, 26 minus 1 into 24 we have 24. So here 26 minus 24 we have 2, and whatever we have in the denominator it will remain same, 75. So this is your answer, 2 by 75. Now next question I am going to solve. That is question number 9. 200 plus 317 by 517. So here, in both the cases, this denominator are same. So LCM will be 517. Now here 517. Now again, what you have to do that, you have to divide this 517 by this 517. So when we divide 517 by 517, it will go 1 time. 1 into whatever we have in the numerator, that is 200, we will write there, plus 517 divided again, we have to divide this one by this 517. So it will go 1 time into 317. So next step we have 1 into 200, we have 200 plus 317 divided by 517. Now when we add this 200 plus 317, we'll get 7, 1, 2 plus 3, 5. So we are getting 570 divided by 570. Now when we divide this 517 by 570, it will go 1 time. So 517 ones are 1. So here answer will be 1. So this 1 is your answer. Now from this question number 1, I am going to solve this question number 10. So almost I have solved 4-5 questions from this question number 1, and the remaining part you will try by yourself. So question is 11 by 25 plus 2 by 25 plus 7 by 25. So here also 25, 25, 25. So these all are like terms. So if there is a like terms, again we have to find the LCM. So LCM will be how much? 25. Because if you take LCM 25, 25, 25, you can do one thing, you can divide it by 5 also or directly by 25 also, because all the numbers are same. So here I am doing directly by 25. So 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25. So here LCM will be 25. Now again what we have to do? We have to divide this 25 by this 25. That is our LCM. So when we divide this, 25 ones are 25 into whatever we have in the numerator, we will write here 11 plus. Again, we will divide this 25 by this LCM 25. So 25 ones are 25 into we have 2 in the numerator plus. Next, again we will divide this 25 by 25. So 25 ones are 25 into whatever we have in the numerator, we will write 7. Now next step, what we will do that we will multiply. 1 into 11 we have 11 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 7 ones are 7 divided by 25. Now what we have to do that we have to add this 11 plus 2 13 13 plus 7 20. So here we will get 20 by 25. Or if both the numbers are divisible, then we can reduce this number also. So 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So we can write this one as 4 by 5. So this is your answer. Okay, next from this question number 2, I will solve 2 questions and the remaining you will try by yourself. So question is given 2 1 by 5 plus 1 3 by 5. So it is given in a mixed fraction. So if it is given in a mixed fraction, we have to make it in a simple fraction. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So 11 by 5, 11 by 5 plus here 5 1s are 5 plus 3. So we will get 8 by 5. Now you might be getting confused how son is doing. So here suppose say it is given 2 1 by 5. So what we have to do that we have to these two number we have to multiply. So 5 2s are 10 and whatever it is there in the numerator we have to add that. So 10 plus we have 1 here. So 10 plus 1 will get 11. So that's why it is 11 by 5. Similarly, next fraction we have 1 3 by 5. So whatever these two numbers are there, we have to multiply. So 5 1s are 5 plus whatever it is there in the numerator, we have to add that. That is your 3. So 5 plus 3 8. 8 by 5. Now it will be easy for you to solve. So both are like terms, LCM will be 5. So what we'll do that again we'll divide this 5 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 into whatever we have we'll write 11 plus again we'll divide this 5 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 into we have here 8. So 11 1s are 11 plus 8 1s are 8 divided by 5. So 11 plus 8 we have 19. 19 by 5. So this is your answer. Now the next question from this question number 2 is 37 13 by 18 minus 24 7 by 18. So here also it is given in a mixed fraction. We have to make it in a simple fraction, and after make it in a simple fraction we have to take LCM, and then the process will be same like the previous one. So here we have to multiply these two. Then whatever it will come, we have to add with this 30. So here 37 into 18. We will multiply this. So 8 7s are 56. 56. So here 6. Carry 5. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5 29 into 1 7 7 1 3 3. So here 6 9 plus 7 16 6 carry 1. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6. Now 6 6 6, that means 666 plus whatever we have in the numerator we have to add that plus 30. So 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 1 7 6. So how much it will be? 6 7 9 divided by 80 minus, similarly we will do it for this one also. these two number we have to multiply first. Whatever it will come, that value we have to add to this cell. So here 24 into 18. So 8 4s are 32. 2 carry 3. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19. So it will be 19 into 1 4 4. 1 2 2. Now add 2 9 plus 4 13. 3 carry 1. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4. 432 plus whatever we have in the numerator, that is 7. We have to add plus 7. So here 7 plus 2 9, here 3, here 4. So we will get 4 3 9 by 18. Now both the numbers have same denominator 18 18. So here we can say LCM is equals to 18. Now we have to write 18. So if you divide this 18 by 18, so 18 ones are 18 into here we have 6 7 9 minus again if you divide this 18 by 18, it will go 1 time 1 into 439. Now next step we have 1 into 6 7 9 means 6 7 9 minus we have 4 3 9 divided by 18. Now what we have to do that we have to subtract this 6 7 9 minus 4 3 9. So do it here 6 7 9 minus 4 3 9. So 9 minus 9 0, 7 minus 3 4, 6 minus 4 2. So here how much will get? It will be 240 divided by 18. So this will be your answer. Or you can reduce this value also. If you divide by 2, it will be lesser. You can reduce or you can leave it till that. So this is also your correct answer. Now the remaining part we will do it in the next class.